My name is Thea, and today I will be showing you how to make red wine short ribs. These are the ingredients needed.
First, we season the ribs with salt and pepper. Next, we chop the onions and celery.
Now, on to the cooking. We are going to brown the ribs on both sides.
After the browning, we want to add celery and onions, stirring for 5 minutes. Then, add in the tomato sauce and flour, followed by the red cooking wine, letting them simmer for 30 minutes. Now that the ribs have been prepared to bake, let us put them in the oven for 2 hours at 350 degrees. Now we can share all these delicious red wine short ribs. Happy cooking!